Welcome to MarineMax Crosslake, where today we have a 2018 Regal 2800 Bowrider for sale. This yacht certified boat is in beautiful condition. It's only got 222 hours on the Volvo Penta 380 V8 stern drive motor. It has a white and gray interior with the snap-in seagrass flooring. This is custom fit so that you're not stubbing your toe on any of the edges around the boat. It fits in beautifully, and there is a teak cockpit table right here in the cockpit right now. There's also a mount on the other side so you can move it from starboard side to port side, whichever side you want to hang out on. There's also a mount in the bow so you can do some lounging and snacking up front. This cushion is removable, so you just take off your starboard side, pull this one out, put your starboard cushion back, and you've got more legroom up front so you can face the front off the bow just like a chair, which is really convenient. There's a couple of other convertible cushions on board as well. There's also some bolster cushions to give you some more support when the water's a little bit rougher and you want to use it like a leaning post. These are double wide seats at the captain and co-captain area, and the captain seat actually has power controls, so you can go up and down or closer to the dash or further away with the push of a button, making it really convenient. We have a Garmin GPS map 7610. This has your navigation, all of your engine diagnostics. We also have an additional depth reader, and you have your Lenco trim tab controls. So no matter how many people you have on board, this is rated for up to 13 people. Wherever they're sitting, if everyone's hanging out with you on the driver's side, no problem. Just put down the tab on the port side and then your boat will be back on plane. We have a private head compartment with a light, a porthole, a sink, and a pump out head. Having that head on board is going to extend your boating days longer into the weekends, on longer days. If you've got lots of kids on board, you won't have to go look for shore or nose up to a dock to let people off. Although the bow is super spacious and there's a big platform up here, you also have an electric windlass here at the front. Super easy anchoring when you're out at the sandbar. Going all the way to the back of the boat, we have these adjustable backrests that flip rear facing or towards the cockpit. You have a removable center cushion system, so you don't have to step on any vinyl getting to the back of the boat. There is a teak overlay on the platform, the walk-through, and the gunwales. It is a beautiful boat in beautiful condition, and we cannot wait to show it to you and more used boats for sale here at MarineMax in Crosslake, Minnesota.